This creamy chocolate hazelnut pudding is so good and it only has 2 ingredients. So I hope this has inspired you to get into the kitchen. Before we go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I used to be a food scientist and now I'm an extremely simple cooking coach. And I help food lovers simplify and really enjoy their time in the kitchen so that creating easy meals feels really doable and feels relaxing and fun, like curling up on the couch. So rather than it being a chore or feeling like work. And the way I do that is most of my recipes contain around three ingredients. This one has less. And the other thing that makes my recipes unique is that I always include a list of variations. With this chocolate pudding, if you didn't want to have chocolate hazelnut version, you could do maple and peanut butter version. So mixing some maple syrup and peanut butter in through the ricotta. If you didn't have ricotta, I've done it with Greek yogurt or any of the dairy-free yogurts. It can work really well to make a hangy chocolate version. Or another variation is to get a bit more texture into it by adding some roast chopped nuts. That can really bring it to life, or even some chocolate chips as well to just give you that extra textural extravaganza. And then apart from the dairy-free yogurt, if you're looking for dairy-free options, check out the written recipe because I actually do have a recipe making a cashew version, so where you puree cashews with water to make the base and then stirring through. Before you go, just so you subscribe to my channel so you can get more delicious, decadent, easy dessert recipes in your feed. Okay, talk soon.